I'm gonna do a quick, easy swap on this regulator. I pulled this one out real quick. I'm gonna put this old one back in. I wonder, I should swap out those seals. Hold on. Okay, it's not this hard, I'm just being stupid. Hold on. That wasn't good. I put my original fuel pump regulator in there. I got no sounds. I just burned out the gas that I spilled. I think we might have got it, guys. So when I had that problem with my Dakota Digital and it was making my engine cut off and cut out and hesitate and stuff, I replaced a bunch of stuff. I replaced some sensors, I replaced the fuel pressure regulator with a new one, and so what I did was, this is not the old motor, I just found this one's junk. I just took the fuel pressure regulator that was originally on this, put it back on because the cutting out was because of the dash, not because of that. Put it back in, it seems to be fixed. That nasty sound that I had in the passenger footwell. So you guys were pointing me in the right direction as far as fuel pressure regulator, and I think that was it. Which sucks because that was a nice brand new, I think it was an AC Delco causing that, but no more sound down there. The fuel lines aren't vibrating. I think it was all becoming from this little freaking pile right here. So anyways, I'm just gonna drive it for a little bit, let it run, not right this second because it's freaking cold. I'm sweating. And yeah, I think we might have got that fixed, which is huge because driving around with that was so annoying. So that's one less sound and closer to being a better car. Now the only other sound I have is lifter tick sometimes on the passenger side. I think it's coming from back here on, say, maybe back half. So I think the only really thing to do with that without tearing everything apart is to pull the intake manifold off. I've seen some people shoot like cleaners down into the lifter to try to maybe break whatever's free in there. Might try that, or I might just drive it until we get that motor cleaned up to replace this one. But this one still runs good. Still has a tick, not always. Might just run it. I feel better, guys. Thanks for your help, appreciate it. Okay guys, I rushed home from work. Gonna try and do a quick drive while it's still light out. And this is like the last day to do this when it's dry, so I'm gonna do this. New regulators on. Shouldn't lose fuel this time. Let's go ahead and watch. We're good. I just need to move this carbon out of the way and then go for a drive. So I added a couple clicks on the suspension too. I did 2 clicks on each side. Should stiffen it up. And then the driver's side is still like a click stiffer than the passenger side. So we'll see. Guys, is doing way better, so much better. So it's definitely stiffer up front, but it still rides way better than it did before. And I have no popping or creaking. I've got no sound coming from the passenger floorboard anymore, so it definitely was the fuel pressure regulator, which is weird because it was just a brand new one that I bought, but I guess AC Ducko's China, so I guess it doesn't mean crap anymore. And no rubbing. That's good. I mean, there's only me in here right now, so who knows. Yeah, I'm actually just really excited right now. It's doing good. Next thing on the list is going to do maybe start the rear end, so I don't have that stupid one-wheel peel anymore. I am kind of curious to see how the gear ratio is going to change the way this car feels. I think I'm going, I don't know what I have right now. I'm thinking somewhere like 3 or 273 or something like that as the gear ratio. So I'm thinking that switching to the 350 will help out a lot. I don't know. Pretty stoked, successful drive. Glad I got this done. Feel a lot good about tearing the rear end apart now without having other looming problems that I gotta freaking deal with. So I'm stoked. I don't know if you guys saw how nice it just handled that big old speed bump. Let's see if we can get another one over here. Okay, here's a big one coming up. I'm not gonna totally slow down, but oh my gosh, like a dream. Let's see if I actually got it first shot for being able to close the garage door. Oh, perfect. Oh, what? Are you kidding me? Maybe my leg got in the way. There we go. All right. Backed her in. That means it'll be time to work on this end. I didn't want to do it hanging out in the cold, so this is going to be next. Anyways, thanks for all your suggestions, guys, who chimed in to help me figure out what that was. I really appreciate that. I'm glad it wasn't a fuel pump because I didn't want to pull the tank. And it was just going to be weird to me if a fuel pump went bad that soon. So, yeah, fuel pressure regulator. Even when you buy new parts and you think they're going to last, they might not. So, anyways, getting a lot of questions on the carbon fiber. People asking if I want to sell it. I'm not actively selling it right now. I mean, but not to say that I wouldn't sell it. So, I don't have it listed. I don't know what it would take to get these off my hands, but if you feel like you want it and you're local enough to come pick it up, because I will not ship this stuff, shoot me an offer, and if the offer's good and it's like, dude, I can't pass it up, I will definitely sell. But if not, I'm just gonna just hold on to these and store them till spring and make a decision then. Let's move on to other things.